enti onua wo hwɛ me o hwɛ baabi akɔ o pa yaresabea bi akɔ tutu na mo bra Qualicare Medicals Limited ye wo Kumasi airport runabout kwana e ko buku na se amtoa kwan ne so no obetima frɛ telephone numbers na wo mu afidie so na se emwa bi ana o ha bi e kyerɛ so a tutu me kabra na wade be fa yen so aboa ama hoto aba ene abusuafo ene namfo nyina eso
Qualicare Medical Limited the physiotherapy units and the training. Uba Yasuya, your Yadiam Briasa, a high massaging unit, your machine, I did be Ubia, the Chibu Penning Castle, and I say, now also now for the joint area, and outside and China, your UV light machine. I did that truly panels what said Empono, Ebia not beating the blood vessels, no, the PSC in one quarter. A woman in Tino, Emma, a Mujano, it's me, a deep of Sunny. So, Obayasuya, you will have a Briasa. And yet, and room and one at the mount, yes, our machines are, yet they, a deep in the Pibian who do not say they are, according to being a hoarding. You can't be able to say, a year male and female infertility, Oba Qualicare Medical Limited. Say, Oba, Opa, one hour, one wire, the amount. And I said, Bema, or pet a war. Na me pamwa no ahodi nim a obetimi ama oba enin say onfa nani entre ha eno so da nchen a eye stroke obi a wenya stroke say ne fa na adodo ana say nipa duamu ni nyina na adodo a onfa nani entre ha yare bi say kidney problem eye typhoid junso mu yare eni na mu yare syphilis gonorrhea de
Kumawood television yema ayefa kwaba emfama Kumawood television and da the 1st of May 2020 we are live Kumasi I think that Johnson Hawk and we are Yaxnasia the day to meet the day Bremo if we Namia Duma Bosumi Esimi a copy say Piliam Pobano the day Bremo but I send so say and da Yanuanoa my Ghana when Yam Red Nasia a year Juma sorry of my chain quote to when you run at the Adinano. If you see what you did everybody na afino, yet to me at the Aboma Basso. And Tiana, so be at the fear na a conyana basse, if I might my phone mo any Juma. Yamayano, a certain pa na o my Ghana, now so no at about true. And the Ghana man penny, Yaria coronavirus by ye, 7 penny and a pound for I ye. Mi abom homodia ama enakwa no kuso mbenu ko na odebi lenso busu a otu anamono na edu bi ase na ye hyemu ha adwumade so kokora na ya beti e Kumawood television medical kano enya agro e wo osekrum na afi so no Virus television networks we hu efibia no efiri sabre record de e yenkopopa na eno e ba beti na enna bedwafo o matena ase wa ha no enya agro enche Emeko na afino ema kodi nkomo na sade yare COVID-19 ba ye na start kuntum nipa nei bobo kompon koyeti a over 3 million people global na omo ewu ewa yare no COVID-19 no imu beran sene nso se uba wo nsa wuye no free wa ubeyin su ye friend no hand sanitizer social distancing no so no sade de dia da ye penny for ifo no bomodia na efa eye adwuma ebebo opa uni hwe nso a na tie na ke Kumawood television and papa nko a ene ye wode ma wo enti ene ye so mo enti uni hwe ya e ku ko se bomodia na etine but then yatna se ene na enkomo a emu tru ene ye ba betie na we tell you say we have a lot for you unya botre na o ke Kumawood television This abbey kwadu se nsan pa no atumi aba na ye beti nkobo ye ntia enne ya tena se ewie no ye benyamre na yetumi adi ho enkobo die ntia enne ya tena se ewie no ye benyamre na yetumi adi enkomo aha ye Kumawood television live o Atenga Junction Kumasi Osekrum to be precise na ya tena se a ye di juma ewo aha sei medical kano 1st of May jadi wiase nyina no obia ya adwuma eboa se de ma betumi atumpon eda ba ko a o my Ghana the Trade Union Congress ɛde asi hɔ sɛ yɛmfa ni dwuma anaasɛ yɛmfa nyɛ ahome wɔ dwumadi nyinaa mu no ɛyɛ ɛnɛ ebu nkɔmpɔn no a na afidie no ɛnɛ fie ɛna esiɛ dwumafo dodoɔ no a wɔ hɔ a ɔnte fie ɔma nkɔ adwuma bɛrɛn ɛnsɛntwerɛfoɔ deɛ wonim sɛ of course ɛwɔ sɛ ɛyɛ adwuma nti na yɛsom so mpa hyɛ ne nso sɛ yare aba no ɛyɛ COVID-19 novel coronavirus. It is a global disease nti na sɛ ɛyɛ pandemic no nti adeɛ bia na wɔsɛ woyɛ na utimi toto wana mo yi sɛ da bɛ yare no bi ɛnka ho no ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ ɛnɛ yi ɔman Ghana yɛtwam 2000 wɔn a wɔwu ɛbɛ edunson ɛha adwen paa ewiase nyinaa no over 3 million people ɛna ɛyɛ yare no bi wɔn a wɔafiri mu ɛyɛ more than 70,000 nti ɛkyerɛ sɛ yare no ehu sɛ wo anhwɛ wo hu yi a wobɛtumi anya bi bɛrɛ no wo nko wunya no kora no ɛnte saa obi nso bɛtumi anya bi nti hyɛ ne nso social distancing woni hwɛ yi a tena fie na entumi ɛmwa yɛwɔ Atenga Junction Kumasi ɛnɛ ɛnya agorɔ ɛwɔ aha mabɛdwafoɔ no ɛwɔ ha saa nso ɛna panimfoɔ ahodoɔ ɛwɔ fie ha sɛ ɛbɛnya mmerɛ na yɛtumi adi nkɔmmɔ na yɛdi kan ka kyerɛ mo over the week sɛ yɛde dwumadie foforɔ bi koraa no ɛba ho nkɔmmɔ ɛnɛ life yɛde ɛbrɛw ama hu sɛdeɛ ɛsi ɛteɛ ɛno nti ɛnkyɛ yɛbɛkɔ na adwumawura kɔfare bae Kumawood Television yankasa yɛnua pani yadeɛ nyinaa director 1 ɛyɛ Samuel Dakon aka Sam Dakus ɔno ɛna adwuma nyinaa no ɛhyɛ no nsa ɛnkyɛ yɛbɛkɔ no hɔ na afei no ɔde nsɛm baako mmienu mmiɛnsa bi atodwa ɛdeɛ nti ɛna yɛhyia mu ɛwɔ ha na afei no watumi ama yaso atumi ate but then before then mabedwafo no atena se maka kyerɛ sɛ yatena se sei no dwumadie no ɛyɛ dwumadie a ɔman Ghana nyinaa no yɛbɔrɔ baabi a na yɛtumi adi nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ ɔman Ghana baabi bia bɛkɔ bia no ana wo hwɛ efiri bia no hyɛ ne nso sɛ mrepa mu yɛbia homa no tom ama wo nso watumi afrɛ ɛde wadwenkyerɛ no atumi ɛde aba WhatsApp line no ɔyɛ TV n'anim a egu hɔ fa message ne fa so na yenya mrɛ enkenkan entumi emfa ema 0543 596 070 0543 596 070 and then mrɛ so a ebia hono atum ama afrɛ ɛde wadwenkyerɛ aba abegyafo no atenase ene awie yi ya sorry so a na be no nsia apa minute aduasa adwenkyerɛ no manera ntem nyenya mrɛ enkenkan emfa medin ɛde Michael Nana Adumakon but obetumi afrɛ me sɛ Mike mani bɛgye pa na afie ti enkomo ɛwɔ ɔman Ghana ewiase nyinaa etio nsusu fa de bra na nyenya mrɛ enkenkan entumi emfa ema abegyafo no atenase na enenya agro efia ha ampaya ebedwa because Jake ba ya ena mu sɛ book kɛse bi pa ekuta no nkwangoma ekuta Jake si nkwangoma NDC John Dramani Mahama penso o hyehyɛ de to hɔ ansan na wɔkorɔ yɛatena se awie yi afofida ebenyamrɛ na yɛtumi adi nkɔmɔ maame ma mabegyafo akwaba the Ashanti Regional Chairman for UPP Crosby Charles Ama Chairman akwaba bibi abakɔ de well chairman ehese ebetimi ene chairman edi enkomo he is the Ashanti Regional Chairman for UPP Orodike Amanyoko no ono Regional Chairman ejo so echia otiefo na wohwefo ina yes I refer that hu na me hu ache saneti o why fe yeda ya mi ase is a party no ayeda o nyankopon ade eguso yare na amane o ma ye kaka bat bidiri ese enche but education ho nyankopon ade papa ho ya pa so papa akwasi ade odike me no kase kura no menya ntie se o wo take FM no so a program to promote the UPP party. Good. Tia bo adwuma. All right. Is the money regional office or Ashanti region? Oh, so when you say regional office there, then the regional. So like, I have Mr. Chaveda say the regional office way. Oh, okay. NPP for. Oh, we see a bisano. Who bisano we answer we bisami. But anyway, and me baby am regional office e one. Okay. Me what the police where any and they can protect me. Oh, okay. Into do pata say police depot. Me officer wo mo chipe. Oh, okay. Into me boss ma.
But
then, and then so the Ashanti regional chairman of the NPP.
Yes.
And the birthday in TM Facas of the so now young we say chairman entry Busiakon. Chairman to me, Yamma Afi Shapa. Yesterday, I say the audience one is to be ano. Pediampon into me, Emano Emrem.
Amen. My main cabin can with you know. Ye na ye wo ye podcast party. But say ye share ye busia baku. They say ne minua chama wuntumi. O say na guy ni the governor.
The governor. And almost and this was unyaka.
Almost unyaka. Sa
almost unyaka na the governor ne dey. Your governor ba kope.
On no why.
Wo wuni mo.
Menim iti. Iwiase no say Nyankopon ye wadem na o de afi baako ka won fi ho. E wo say friends me gidi say.
Na ma yentwe homra.
Yo.
Okay.
Me gidi say enye yare ya abasinsan e friends say wiom a ye hu no a ekunkun go fanka obe celebrate me yi na ya ko nti ye ntimi enko bibe ye fa ye kumu TV so awo hye no happy birthday ni aso Nyankopon say ahoɔden ne a friend say nkɔ de ama no no ɔma ne mmroso na megye sɛ bibia etwom na yehia ye nyina yetimi de nsa atwensem na
mera se ma menko set daban volunteer media communicators Ashanti region ono na secretary se be ka se Syria College am MPP for no set na secretary set akwaba
ye ni asema
boko de
yanko fon adum
ye shi acha akra
so lockdown e buy intimate ko be bia
but a member of parliament honorable Kinikan Kamsa no ho ye
yanko fon adum
good
yanko fon adum no ho ye
good Syria College so bia ho ye de
yanko fon
kwabra nyame ne wo chama boaje ne o nyina bia ho ye
semai obia ho ye yanko fon de ho afofi obo ye ho ban ye ntia tinka boni bia na wa woni say asase so eti de ba bia wei kanyina ode nyina ya no said osikan ne kan because kan kam abrantie na wate NPP ene na nado anim no na asase so ne yetem medical achia ne ba bia obi a yura kan kam na said many opinion di kan ya chia the governor so umpo obi anim so ne the only governor osai chairman of Ashanti region hano puri crowd no me be edit ewini elections uwie mo create mo se ewini that you say enti sa papa no ya bebo na basnia ka che Nyankopon so mo na hoden akokodu a owo a o kasa na NDC for pe ono otimi ka che NDC for so stake wo unu say NDC for ya de mu gina ho a dabio ya de NDC for 100 gina ho a o mu 30
okay
I'm telling you say Mike Mfeniago
right
ya de NDC for 100 gina ho a o mu sa chama ntumi je be boss abrantia na baso adwuma wo ye ne so papa
right
na ya da kuma for so ase e wo dwumadi a omode aba ye be se Nyankopon se dwumadi so no e be ko adumu efira adumu ko adumu
set ye na se set da ban volunteer media communicators Ashanti region secretary na mote ninka oni ye be djuma e wo efidiem ha. This is Kumawood television. Ma menko the regional coordinator Hefra, and then the national communication team member for the NPP, Chairman Inusa, and so on. Chairman Akwaba. You swim me and Sanafi. Yeah, Bibi Abokode.
Yeah, the Nyamiasi. Yanya, sorry, Yanti Boni idea. Adumara.
Okay.
You better Nyankumponas.
Okay. Mesan ba chama ho mamenko Jake Omra chama mesan ba ho suma mesan ba ho Jake regional communication team member for the NDC Ashanti region, very influential person in the party, and then most admired by media men within the Kumasi metropolis. Jake ewaha ono ena de green book ni ba ne jiga kwaba
ya nyo
boko de
me person cameraman mfanto holy bible ba kupa former president John Mohammed Troy ani yeso o twatro They say, oh, my dear, to say a babu, papa. Someone a woman in the Crentina make us say a babu because a babu when some beer will be in the credit.
Okay.
The green book in the Bibia, Mamincha, I have for Nianda or Massy, or more my Jebra, Mohe and Mary. Namincha, Memin Damasi, Kumawu TV, where Juma for my idea. The enemy is a band with the Omutata media for no mamma tata, and Nunkwane Hammer. And yes, idea, Kumawu, your friend is a Kumawu TV dear. The Amimis Roni said, Aban with the Omutata media for the Amimis Roni said, Yankupo Maya Duma, or more MSA, I'm a good Majumano.
Send it,
Also, Mono, or more problem be said, a Jumana obey, so one can be more mopa, no more tatao. So I say, in Timpaya, me born and say, to the Baya or Moon Confess, I don't know, I'm family, by Juma Moyani dear. Yandamase, netim working, me buy a mania Japan, semi residue. Sat up a Mayanoha, Nejuma dear Moyano Hanadia. Mamin Damase, Namin Chia NDC for Mujebra or Muja and Urea. Namin Chia will be a former president John Mahama. There be a catcher and say, on Kana Kumantunium. In Yankupon Gusu, a dinner some man. Yankupon Magan and Ibie who say, in Tranco for BD 2016 debate to be free in Samuno. And then Yankupon, I'm a man Casano. O man sign ho, I'm a US in Nehu. And until I'm a green book no crab. Into the Americans on kind of Kumantonium. Nanyankupo Ayaduma. Obiehu. Now, mean church, I'm a winter, so me money happy, baby, on the Minuano.
The governor.
By the governor, I mean, 2 months, governor, mean tears, I say, oh, governor. Now, where are the maybe I mean, the MP before we say, oh, yeah, governor, mean tears, oh, yeah, governor, you can't nip to say, me boss. See, I can't see a car, you can say, oh, yeah, governor, mean tears, but the American say. See, oh, yeah, in Chinukra, right? See, yeah, MPP, and this modia, Minuano no chama went to me when Minua Pano, but in Kanya, and this my young fan in your time.
May I say, Jake, a regional communication team member for the NDC Ashanti region, Ono and out in Kano. Ernest Kweku Eji, second vice chairperson for the NPP Mensia North constituency. Kolunsuzomankwa about on Pesuaso. Ena Ernest ewo Ernest chama akwaba
ya bedu so meki
bako de
nyame adom na so
nyame adom ye ho ye pa
nyame ase
good ene mamuti san
nyame adom se de ye ka no bibia boko edikan mame enna Kumawu TV edumayefo production team and edumawura ye na nase make it say ya da wase kwa ne benchia me kwana members
good
na afi amecha chama untumi man happy birthday say me akasa me chairman so me akasa me chairman so ene ne birthday
oh
yes
emudi an
chairman kwa coupon menchia no
chairman pon
yes
ene your pon birthday
yes ene chairman birthday
ene ye ma ono so happy birthday
na menchia no for this year abusi kwa ma menchia no
okay
na me say nyame be hye ne ho anu nyam ama elections here be police station for aboa na ya hye ne nyam
chewampi
so ba mama MP
na so bi o chimi to me chane ye
David wonchi wuntum chiane na opa man so ndo wo kwa asole wo kwa asole
enti untimi chewampi on right mama nkomra Ernest Kweku Eji eye mention of second vice chairman I say na MP de wachina tum nti wachia no a enye yi dakrope eye Ashanti regional treasurer media monitors dakrope akwaba
on fa NDC ni so no so
NDC good
deputy communication mention south
deputy communication mention south constituency honorable Napoho
Napo me PC na ye me me boss you betu Napo no
obi betu honorable Metuku Prempe good ene am ti saying
oh you what na mu kakra
media monitors obi ahun ye
nyame adom ye chama Ajawusu ene ba chama Kofi NDC ni amankwam do organizer ne members ni obi ahun ye nyame adom na mekoso ada medawase ne producers ne adwumawura nyame adom ba bia odi mo aduro no ti se ne na me bra JK ka no momfa mo nan sisi fam yie na mo ntintim deɛ bɛ ɛpo biara baabi a bɛkɔ biara mo ntintim kurɔfoɔ deɛ ɔmo nkyɛ na ɔmo agu adwuma na me so mebɔ mpaeɛ sɛ nyame ma mo adwuma no ntim hɔ daa na memfa wafidie so nkyia owura samuel sapon dr okunkom ɛne ndc nana kwasi regional chairman ne executive ne nyinaa ɔmo so bɔ adwuma nyame yɛ adom a 2020 yɛba bɛtu chairman mu nti no ɛnyɛ mwanwa sɛ chairman te a wɔtwe ma nso saa bere a ɔbi wɔtwe ma nso yɛ sɛ ohu sɛ hɔ seat no so yɛbɛfa manhyia nɔf ɔn sɛ kɔle so ohu so ama nkɔa deɛ me body no ɛyɛ mwanwa sɛ chairman ne ɛtwe ma nso
ɔso wakyena tom
sɛdeɛ dabi wontumi sɛ kofi bɔ akyekyee no tom ɛnso ɛnɛ sɛ ɔmoyɛ namfo nti yɛtwe tom a na dina na ɛkɔ soro ɛsɛ ɔde bɔne kyɛ na biribiara kɔ soro ɔyɛ tam ɔyɛ dedan ɔyɛ dedan
well it has see dakro pɛ ɛyɛ ndc treasurer ɛde ɛma media monitors ashanti region pra jackson ɛyɛ obi a oni amanyɔkɔ bi a ɛwɔ ghana but ɔkamanyɔsɛm ɛno no na yɛ a na duru baabi wɔ ha na ɛyɛ ayɛ yi but ɔsan yɛ nsɛntwerɛ ni pra ɛwɔ ha ɔyɛ na kwaba
ya mi deɛ
bɔkɔɔ deɛ
nyame adom bɔkɔɔ
ɛyɛ ne yɛse ɔmo a ɔmo se ɔmo yɛ ɔho ɔmo no koraa no wɔ party o anaa
sɛ mekyia Kumawood ahwɛfoɔ nyinaa yɛda obiara ase so agye brɛhwɛ yɛ ne yɛka no saa nanso so deɛ wɔm ne sɛ obiara ni wɔ a ne voters ID card no okotwe ndi yeso won fan ko iska wo bank yeso won fan to aba nti okojina ballot paper ho a nipa na deda so wo beto nti wo so kire na adwen so ametuo whether good or bad I was say saafo no so a wo mon kojoin party bia no so no yeso won koto aba no no ni party nko koto ayeden MPP ni NDC ni PPP ene wona aka na koto aba mu din wo paper so usu ya ma papa se kokoto ya ukoto di aje di
the Jackson what man
maybe depending on how issues unfold.
Okay, so the way issues are unfolding
the way issues are unfold sa fi le di nkomo nti e di nkomo na wo hwe kwa wo bo ho modezi ye to abama NDC no be di akonya ye to abama MPP no we ni power the here e wo mu ni say 4 years na ye di abato na mano no ye de to me mandate na mano no e was me wo ye hyehyeye omu bi obedi to me bia na any other party obe we ni power bia no ye instructive so be ye hyehyeye na meti mamuni ametim no me ho ato me ententimi ba say mato aba ma de wo ye nyina mfa kwan mu ameso makoto no some of us will also have to decide nti when there ye how wo bo ho modern nti me mato aba kwa ato aba kwa sa nam tuma aba
right Jackson pra century based in Ashanti region so and oye social commentator well me sign enko se me chairman nusa o se ni matoto mu a chairman nusa NPP nipa enya grokra NPP ni kase power Ashanti mantem o sign hefra coordinator omo and regulatory health facilities our my Ghana chairman akwa ba bio
sema Kenya
good me say enia me koso kama
ya da nyame ase bibia ekoso kama wa uhwa wo president a onim de onim ne oye owo vision otutu ne ma ho ye kama ne aka ne se ye beda nyankompon ase se nyankompon oma no encontenting na on protect no se ne be ya obehihye ne ma ama kanafo na ye hu atoy yes
but we the free health sector ebe wo hwe ye nose mask ya use ya ene wo de nso ye wom ye die eye
well mint ka se mu de no eye anase enye but the meka say wo hwa sa mask ya wo specification bia ye di eye no enye se wo sori ana wo ye bibia keke wo specification bia ye di ye nti mu de no mini assurance say a protective enough but Niabeka say it's better this way than nothing but I can't guarantee for such marks muna any specification na yɛwɔ
okay abusafo ha yɛ Kumawood television transmitting from Atenga Junction Kumasi Osekrom ɛna yɛne o edi nkɔmɔ edi free a yɛde ɛba ɛnkyɛ yɛpani bɛbɛm na afei no die nti ɛna yɛhyia mu ha obi yɛka na adwene wote sɛ na Jackson ɛka sɛ yɛto aba sɛ mpuntu mmra sɛ mpuntu no ba yɛto aban no so mpuntu no ama aban no esi ni fam na foforo aba titia ntɔkwa bia enim ɛno nti ɛna Ghanafoɔ esi John Dramani Mahama His Excellency fam nti wampani ɔte so yi na na Akufo Addo nso ɛne ne dwuma yi a ɔno nso no mmerepam Ghanafoɔ ebesi ni fam 7th December abato no kora na bɛba so ana sɛ ɛma so wɔkova mbemmerɛ mu ana ana sɛ yɛnya ne sɛ well die nti a yɛde dwuma di ɛba ɛwɔ Kumawood television edwom pani Samuel Dakon aka Sam Dakus ɛwɔ ha yɛnkɔ ne nkyɛn na afei no director ma yɛ die nti a yɛnyina yɛhyia ha na yɛde dwuma di a yɛato ne din well mame fa nsie na ɔno akasa ba ɔbi yɛ pie director
okay meda obibiansi meda mpanyinfo a atwa ahyia nyina ase na afei meda production team a ɔmo nso ɛwɔ ha mada obibiansi na mada mo a mo fie na mo nso mo hwɛ yɛn no mada mase paa mamidi kan ɛnkɔ COVID-19 so kakra ɛnkyerɛkyerɛ a yɛma mpanyini na adodankwa Akufo Addo wɔne ne mpanyinfoɔ ɛde ama yɛn sɛ upie a fa nose mask na afei so hohoro wo nsa fa wo sanitizer ɛhyɛ ubotom tuduru baabi na sɛ wonya nsuo hohoro wo nsa na ɔbɔmɔden ade sanitizer no ayɛ den ahohoro wo nsa yɛn try sɛ yɛbɛfiri nipa dodoɔ mu na yɛma distances no ayɛ adwuma yie wei yɛ adeɛ bi a yɛba ɛɛbia na yɛka ɛma amanfoɔ nyinaa ɛhu sɛ yareɛ no aba na ɛhu yie paa mamemfa asɛm wɔ ntwam madamfo baako bi a wɔyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ hospital na onnim sɛ yareɛ no ada sɛ ɛyɛ hu anaasɛ ɛnyɛ hu na ɔkɔ patient bi ho na for the past 3 weeks na for maintenance nka sɛ na patient no ɛyɛ positive ama ɔma test sɛ amanfoɔ bɛka yɛ Kumasi deɛ ɔtɔ so mmienu a ofiri mu no saa patient no madamfo no kɔɔ ne nkyɛn a ɔno na ɔhwɛ no enti ɛnɛ me ne di nkɔmmɔ no kyerɛ sɛ for the past 2-3 weeks in there yɛ quarantine no enti me ankasa me de m'ani ehu sɛ yareɛ no ɛyɛ real ɛno nti yɛmmɔ yɛ ho ban yie paa me kɔm asɛm so no Kumawood a ɛyɛ Kumawood Nyankopɔn na de to yakoma so ɔso yɛ daeɛ ɛna yɛde edin Kumawood baeɛ yɛde baeɛ no 2011 ɛna yɛ launchie na yɛde baeɛ sɛ ɛyɛ Kumawood multimedia no na yɛnim sɛ ɛyɛ deɛ nea momfa nkyɛn sɛ aha yɛ ewiem kakra nti momfa nkyɛn ɛti sɛ deɛ yɛyɛ rally no eti yɛnim sɛ ɛyɛ deɛ nea yɛbɛyɛ TV station yɛbɛbiebie nneɛma bebrebe nti register as Kumawood multimedia emu na yɛde Kumawood awards ɛbaeɛ yɛde Kumawood awards baeɛ no na yɛde bɔ ɔmo a ɔmo wɔ mɛfa no sɛ ɔmo use yɛn local dialogue no ɛyɛ movies no nti ɛyɛ Akan language yɛwɔ nzima ɛne frafra ɛne dagbani Hausa saa nkurɔfoɔ no yɛka ɔmo bom no yɛ start sɛ yɛma ɔmo awards nti enum no ɛna idea foforɔ san baeɛ ɛna yɛ create Kumawood app no okɔ Play Store ɛda hɔ sisi a ɛno no movies a yɛtwa ne nyinaa no yɛde agu app no so enti wo a open movie ahwɛ utumi ko app no so na no tua bibi kakra bi eye 1 Ghana cedis na wo de ahwe se ne be ya producers no enso benya kakra enti enumu a ye ko animu na no na ade esan ba se ene yemfa Kumawood TV enfamra eno so no with the help of Media 7 platform ena ye de koto so na Media 7 platform no ma me pa konya isu na me chia me ankasa me boss Emmanuel Kuku Bani ono ana ohwe Media 7 platform no so eno ena ye de koto so na ye ba afoforo no na eye den ema amanfo se ombachi eye platform no se ye hwe obi a free outside Accra ekoto platform no so a na ye Kumawood TV enti ye adwen se ye be campaign ama obia etimi ahwe Kumawood TV. To cut everything short, say wo hwe ye coverage a ye kwa achi ye pa Media 7 platform the man ya sonko kwanso ene se omo Europe, some part of Europe enya Kumawood TV wabra on share no e wo YouTube o scanning the TV na otiminya no clear ukọ omo Arab side ho because baby a ya antenna no wo no ye dish no wo no na say ye wave no wo no ye fa free Arab sat na sa Arab sat no e kwa chiri more e chain TV stations bebre enti ye waswe yetiminya calls every Italy ye biefuni na benya call every Libya any baby bebre Ghana hanso de ye cover baby a Africa ha ye cover baby a enti ye coverage de e kwa chiri ye pa enti se we ye businessman na se opese obobo odwuma ho dawura platform we na aye platform a esese otime ebo odwuma ho dawuro na afa nso we ye politician na opese we ye campaign we ye nema bebre a platform we any platform a ebetime aboa na ye de Kumawood TV bae no ye san so e de programs bebre e bae ye de program bi te se awoso e bae be shake your waist kama e ma manfo energy hu yie pa ye de spiritual hot seat to cut everything short the programs bebre and the bae beginning no ye adwen se ye Kumawood enti no movies and ye be yin more me no ka say men kai TV station a eyi local movies e chen Kumawood TV ye yi twi movies no from anopa kosi na de cheye anaju tu nyina no na ye yi twi movie ye adwen say twi no e na ye be promote TV stations be brave eba oba start ayusu Kumawood movies na ashow na amanfo gitum wi a na afei o ma divert no mu yi telenovelas ye de ye adwen se ye kono saa ama ya hwefo eno so eno no te emu no na nyame mfasa ma COVID-19 ebaye no na empanyifo tena ase na ese ne ye mfa update ema ya hwefo because na ya quarantine enkrofo bebrentimi makrom enhu de ekoso okrom enenti ye de Kumawood update anas COVID-19 update ebaya na mea na me hosti samo besha na ye no every Monday to Fridays anumre no 9 enefa ekopem no nsia enefa enti enumu a na ye kwa ena ye hu se ye wo political era sesei amanyofo enam se COVID-19 ntino omuntimi nye campaign no yie mo but say involve wo mo e wo ye platform ne so a ye nim se ebe ye yie ama ya hwefo enu ntina ye nim panyimfo san tena ase ena ye de dwumadi a ya to ne din sonko kwa asokra ye se sinipi no e kire se ye metwa nkontompo ena ye meye nablaba sem asem no se na esitie bia no ye besinipi na yaka ye mfa ho ne amanyokuo kra ye kana sem se ye nokre enko a na ye adwen se yɛde bɛma yɛahwɛfoɔ ɛno nti ɛna ma yɛde dwumadi a yɛato no din sɛ sinipi na sinipi no ɛstate ɛfiri ɛnɛ ɛna yɛbie so ɛno nti na wobɛhwɛ a political parties ne nyinaa reps ɔmo leaders ebi wɔ ha a yɛne wɔn ɛbɛtwetwe nkɔmɔ ɛno nti sɛ wohwɛ yɛn a na yɛbie dwumadi a yɛato no din sɛ sinipi ama yɛahwɛfoɔ nyinaa mipakyɛw obi a wɔ baabiara no ka kyerɛ wo nua na wo nua nso nka kyerɛ ne nua sɛ ɛnɛ yɛalankye dwumadi a yɛato no din sɛ sinipi ɛno nti ɛna yɛwɔ ha yi ɛno nti mɛsrɛ me mpanyimfoɔ a mowɔ ha na melankye dwumadi yi mewie yɛ a na kyɛ sɛ motoa so ɛno nti mebie sinipi ano ɛwɔ nyame agya nyame ɔba nyame honhom din mu nti amen.
Right, nti wei ɛyɛ Samuel Dakon aka Sam Dakus yɛnkɔ commercial break mra yɛbɛtoa so.
No, Makwaba, Ediba Kolike Medicals Limited, you come say airport roundabout, Kwanya Kobo Kromo, Ultra Police Junction, and Wanero. Kolike Medicals, and as a hospital, you come say Crodiemu. What I see a national say about the fire and Sasso, Abwa, and Kofodo, or how Nipedium can in Yarawa diseases. Ye share ya repeat say arthritis eno pemuni enkasemu sasabro isi ya de obi adensemu abu I was a share the obi dislocation of any of the bones or joints what the bakolika ebeboa ama omato make us say hypertension and now when ya diabetes and now when ya kidney problem or nice arthritis but modern brand na only ever 20 ya na ye wo emuro son kwa ye adwuma enye no nko so ye wo mfidie ahodo obono a ye de check the padua no ye wo laboratory sector ye de hwehwe ni padua emogya mu yade a ekoso ansana ye de adru account sebi ya kosua wo fie ya kɔkɔ school akosua de ebi mo fi tech ebi mo fi china ene ya kan ye hwaboma ye boase ni padodo bi obeba ye nkyɛn no erade be fa ye nsaso e de apoto ama wɔn enti onua wo hwɛ me open baby aqua opa resabia bi aqua tutuna mo bra Kolike Medicals Limited ye wo Kumasi airport runabout kwana e ko buku na say am to akwa ne so no obetima free telephone numbers na wo mu afidie so na say emwa bi ana o ha bi e chew so a tutuna min kabra na rade be fire so aboa ama hoto aba ene abusuafo ene nafofo nyina eso
Kolike Medical Limited the physiotherapy units and Uba Yasuya, your Yadiam Ubiasa, a high massage unit, your machine, I did me a the children pain in Castle, and I said, now person the joint area, and outside and China, your UV light machine. You did that truly panels what said Emporo, if you are not beating the blood vessels, no, baby, see in 1 quarter. A woman in Tino, Emma, a Mujano, it's me, it did a Fusani. So, Obayasuya, you will have to be yes, and yet, and look and one at the mount. Yes, our machines are, yet they a deal in the Buddha, said they are quite in a big and a hoarding. You can't be able to say, a year male and female infertility, Oba Kolike Medical Limited. Say, Oba, Opa, one hour, one wire, dear man. And I said, Batman. All pet a war, not the Pamwano, and Modini are with me, Ama Oba and insane on fat, let me enter her. And also that China, a yet stroke, Ubia when you're stroke, set Nifa and I go, and I said, Nipper, your money and I go on family enter her. Yarabit said kidney problem, a yet typhoid, Jones we are here, and in them we are here, syphilis, gonorrhea there, and not yet, they said, we do her, your vicinity. Yeah, but a man so effort one, would be all fibroid. Say, yes, now would you know, Yarabia with them, on family enter her. A man, would be a war a year, now also tired, and I said, would be an old mina. ebia depression ebia stress and na masa ya de we nyina ba on fa ni enche ha aha e laboratory center e test abu ni ewa
Quality Care Medical you Kumasi Airport Runabout Medamasi
Eka unkuantia Enka mewo Otamfu neka unkuan Neka masekura Missing neka unkuan
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winna no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Eka unkuantia Enka mewu
Now Makwaba Ediba Quality Care Medicals Limited you Kumasi Airport Runabout Kwanya Kobo Kromo Utra Police Junction Quality Care Medicals asye
Right, Yamaha Fakwaba and Famra Kumawood Television Sinupi said Samuel Dako, aka Sam Dakus dia to Jano. And the free Sabria Kodia a ball and number 4:30 to 6:30 live on your television, Kumo television, Jumedia at the Sinupi, and na yade ebre was Sinupi, Eye Amanyo Sem, Sinupi. It's all about politics and social issues. Still, the Ashanti Regional Chairman for the UPP, Crosby, Charles Ama. So Crosby, what is some Dakus the other atuja Sinupi and yade Bremo. Every day some one demo.
So Mike, Mayana a Kumawood Upenino Asi na more than a case baby or ball it didn't say Sinipino. Be a mushemi. Na mesan chi madwin kweche hu say the all cano and yes ye baby did you be at him but ye babe say ya dwen e kwan ye bafa so ye beteche eye o man Ghana
good
enti ma memfa akonyo we so na menna na se menna on ne mpanifo ina ase na wo a wutipun na echi ube host program no so meji wudi minim ye say ubeye e ma wahwesofo no ana say omo hwe eye Kumawood no omo so enya nemapa bi e de afrum but e tufutuo na me de ma ye podcast parties say ye ba eye snippy program so a enya temdidi de bia meka mekodu me fie meka say si ye studio na wote se deda ba ho we se mentia se we se a enya se kan ya twende atwitwa ye ho ye nya call off air pe na ye di nkomo ye cheche ye nsam nti se wotifie na se wo so ma okuku esoi na wo kwatwe se kan sa na se eduam na wo de kwa akobɔ wuni a anu nti na ye se court wo de bo na wo kwa kodu court nti ye bese eye omo hwe ne se bibia no omo akuma emrefo omo be test omo ebe frɛ no so no enya temdidi ya ti bebre obi nipa no obecha na dwen na wo fra no obe didi na tem na we see enti ye bo na me mpa se program we no better friends dear penifo aspect say ebedu medasi
so medasi Crosby Charles Ama Ashanti Regional Chairman for the UPP Udike Amanyoku no ono ene Ashanti Regional Chairman uhwe screen so a WhatsApp line no e wo so obetimi the WhatsApp message no about 0543 956 070 0543 956 070 WhatsApp line o de agent no e fa so a ebetimi ahwe me akenkan e de amawo mamenko serial collection no ɔmo na ta frɛ pa kasafidi ahodo so ne mfoni ahodo so set juma de na de bremo sinupi
samai
mo jatum
so who says secretary Marathon Head and not just Yajatum. I was happy so time I was sending of flyers no my decorative platforms would be happy. Now they say no monitor you send some more cost for her and home common modi. Now I'm say the Sierra College the Omunya problem to Modia. Many other group of the culture. Maybe because a lot of people monitor. And a radio station went to me and Fabian and then someone else was what I say. Now, we in particular, we take a program with you. We take program with Nyanda. Open news was all Cassan. We are taking over the radio and say, from me. Baby, we free band the audio bishop. Obi to a man was Mempama yourself. I'm your son, you're asking your church mind. What I say, young Yakan, some of Henyan, and penny for a BT, and then get the better remind more money. Inti, what do we never come on? Ever man say, TV station back is yet. Because always now, Mr. Member politics always now monitor Simply. Minister Simply started 4:30 to 6. If you do her 6:30, if you do her, I didn't know what time TV in America. Into your bonfire say radio station where I say, a TV station where I say. Now I shall follow so I say, Side media, Papa, dear, no Muslim, no Muslim, and no Muslim, every man of one day. Now, you say, young Katia so and 1 hour high. Said the TV station, baby, all can say, Doom. You best say, a young market, Siakis, and so on. A move for music and move them. Not airtime, I am yet, Sakatwa. On the bar, on so to me, a program, yet never yet the other mine, I'm a mine by Ekasi. Say, Mike, but I was a program on the other.
Set Dabai, or say, far or just on the other bra. Ebo who the road the amount. Na obi hu fa so I want so no ubinya maybe kra no na sponsors ne do so no na time no so no e do so e de ama wo a won so o hweye no chairman Inusa chairman
Semai
and no be katwi we ye sinupi
enimpa ena yesa ewo asenteman mo nti sa wo si yankatwi nkwa de ne ye be katwi pa
Tama. So it's all about Sinupi.
Yes. Yeah. But Sisiano, Maminka Samba could be. I read some book some time ago.
Okay.
And Otano or say the beginning of success is when the truth is manifested.
Okay.
Nti say see ye be Sinupi wa han kwa de ye be fan wonu kran akwan so kwa de ne. TV station be successful. The me bonfire say near ye cano, ye be yenisa awaha. And ye were chirium nti mamifa kunye we na minchia Muslims all around the world. Na ming admonisho muse omunshe Kumawood TV. If he say sa program yi wo ye Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam or say kul hakku walau kana murran or see and nukre yanka nukre se ebani se ye betwa otin kwa kan nukre no na yantwa wote no what ma say na che say there is no substitute for anukre nti se ebe sinupi wo hankwa de ne Ghana nyina ebe hu say Kumawood TV aha ena ye kan nukre every day from 4:30 to 6:30.
And I believe say supporter now odi mayen on radio no obesan dia mai Kumawood television
onyamente ye dia tu ye hu se be bia se Mike ebedi nuhu ne juma die bia no eya o ye ne yi ozuma se that is the more reason why ye di ya ho ade nyina edi tanichi nti ye be ye ne sa akopim da station Kumawood TV ebe number 1 in this country. Yes.
Chairman Inusa Ashanti Regional Coordinator for Hefra ena motene ka mamenko makonta ho me man yere pa bini aba be fefe me de ne ka no ho Jake
minia me das ma mi di kan da wase obi obaka so ma wa yere de wa ma wa de pa because ya yete nyina ne se nya oba ne be ye aduana ɔbaa ne bɛyɛ aduane a sɛbi yɛndidi nti me deɛ ɔma me ɔbaa deɛ mmaa asɛm deɛ mepɛ tie twi na meka tie mepɛ mmaa asɛm because me maame yɛ ɔbaa nti meka sɛ mepɛ mmaa asɛm menka sɛ mepɛ mmaa mete mepɛ mmaa asɛm meda ase me nua megye di sɛ adwuma pa na mode aba no metie Samida ku so a ɔno deɛ me nua no mene na nante akyɛ nti ɔkaa sɛ ɔbɛyɛ no na mewɔ gyidie sɛ mo bɛyɛ nti mehwɛ program no sɛ deɛ mo ahyehyɛ ne na m'ani gye because ɔno na ɛma Kumase ha na yɛ ɔte fam no ne yɛ ma award na obia na ɔno ofiri asanteman mu ha na award so kora na ɔmo nya bi because ne yɛ adwuma me wom every music to arting there ɛyɛ adwuma a me wom nti na me maneta by time a wɔde Kumawood award so baayɛ no yɛnim kurom ha artists a ɔma fa ho a ɔma koduru ewiase nyinaa ntimi deɛ ɛnya me nwanwa sɛ mo ka sɛ mo de practical show baba for sabre so de nhia me na me nua ba ko ka sɛ yɛse politics aya no nkɔfo bi so obi yɛ politics obi yɛ nyinaa yɛ politician yɛ frɛ bibi partisan politics ana ɛnya ba politics de obi ani ne yɛre ne ne makura wo fie kura yɛ politics ne yɛ nti partisan politics ne na ebia adaka sɛ sabio enya obi ana yɛ ba de me ka ne sɛ program ne di na mo de atudwa no mo de ato so no mani agye pa because ayakwa ya ade bi sɛ Ghana media for no dudo na atoda ne kure no mo nka
oh sir
me na me ka kire o gise mo amoya nya atom so onya nya atom pa obegye atum sɛ Ghana media for no bibire nka ne kure wo de hwɛ sɛ yɛ tena yɛ call lockdown obi o monitor BBC Azaziria mo nyina no no hwɛ sɛ mpanyimfo no begina hɔ na media for no kwahye o ma na o mu push o ma na me di compare media na toda ya kakra enti se musi mo beye adwuma si ni pide mo beye ni ye dia mo nye ni ye ma mu nsuro Kumase man yesre mo we ye mu dia mo a ye nsom na ayakwa yese ade papa bi e be firi region ha no ya na ye tambogu ye muani engine yi ni ye nye adwuma den na politicians ye nye niema yi a mo nsi ni pina mo nka nkyere se Nana Akufo-Addo eniema a wodi ekoi enye mamu nsuro because onu na ti akonwa no so
enkoya yensi ni
monka mu nsi ni pi because this year unim problem aye wa ya America Ghana media for no obi a woti akonwa so ne ye ka na asem ba me hu se
ye ba ho
Ghana media for
me na se
obi ti position ne ye ka na asem
Jake me da se
Jake de me ka kire mo ni se mamu mfama anunka se musi ni pini na ma anye ni yere ya beka
good
ye de sabio ya be che ya adwun ti se de mutimi kire mo adwun che politicians no ye so be che ya adwun ase mamu manko bi nda da mo mamu manko bi enye niema bi
me sure say Jake and his team NDC will support us 100%.
ye gina mo chi dindindin ye gina mo chi dindindin se de e be ko se obi be tra se oba ha Kumawood TV de ye de ya ho di ya mpaebo ye bibia beta ekire ye be ko atia nipa ko na opeso brain as ndie
Jake and I would say on Kumawood television Sinupi and officially it has been launched by our chief executive officer Samuel Dako aka Sam Dakus wadwen channel WhatsApp line 0543956070 59070 wadwen channel bra na yenya emre enkenkan emfama live on Kumawood television so se ba ho ama onso wa frɛ emrepem na yetumi ate wonka memedin ede se Mike chairman na skokwaje ewa ha chairman good well do the do na afi yenhwe Sinupi
beke ebeda mo ase
good
na ebeda yefuna wo bayi enso ase the committee Kumawood TV enyene acheye na afei mehwe nipa atete wo mo amane obi asebe na ye yini totwene kura no ene o ma beye popular o Ghana memu ha etinyame ena yesre ne se obekɔ so na dwumadie bia na mu die no akɔ so ama yɛ na deɛ mɛka nie sɛnea ɔkaeɛ no ɔkasa sɛ sinipi
yes
sɛ woyɛ radio na sɛ woyɛ tv adwuma na sɛ woamfa politics woanyɛ political show a ɛte sɛ wasa akapoma no wawiam yes
ayɛ sɛ deɛ hu ɔba ɔsono na okay
sɛdeɛ ayi ka no yɛfrɛ ne sɛ jekike na ne gyima ho
nti mu nyinaa mu pɛ mama yɛ ho sɛ mu
na yɛbɛda production team no nso ase
good
yɛbɛda adwumayɛfo ase
good
na yɛnim sɛdeɛ mo aka mode ɔsɛ bɛyɛ ɔyɔ na yɛn nso as politicians no yɛbɛbi make sure sɛ asɛm no yɛde yie ɛbɛto yie sɛ ɔkɔfa green book ba na nneɛma ɛwom wonyɛ na so ayɛ a yɛbɛka ho ase sɛ ɔte aseɛ ɛno sɛ yɛbɛka so onim saa nyame ne yɛda no aseɛ sɛ adwumadi ɔmɔdi aba na Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo sɛ yɛka president a wɔkoma media ɛwɔ Ghana asase so a ɛwɔ wiase a Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo sɛ ɔte aseɛ wɔno na passe saa bill no ɛbaayɛ ɛda hɔ mfie petepee obi atumi anyɛ yes criminal label ɔna passe yɛ so ɔte me twɔn ase Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo atumi di aba ɛde bɔ media no ho ɛbae sɛ deɛ mbɛhu bia mɔnka Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo yɛka wɔn mo pre ɛma media radio station televisions ɛdɔɔso wɔn mɛmu ha is one of them one of the best you can have
okay
first no na wuntumi kasa PNDC and this na wuntumi kasa radio station na yɛ one asa
medase okay chama me so medase but then dear meka na masene say for what we said no ɛyɛ na yɛ gyina so dia ɛne wadaroma o Ahmed Swale ɛyɛ yɛ colleague journalist yanka bia nhyemu na wato nananom won siedo mfie be afi ekomienu ni adaroma tentem so justice delayed we say it's justice denied dakrope okay enije abafie
nije dia bapa ye kese fa na chama kese ma ajonira
me man ajonira
media freedom aba obaye ne so radio station media agua omo collapse a enya se to akra biti da na mom ye bompa ye se Kumawu TV na me ekton supangu so na se intintim sinipi na se musu nyaden na se nyina anyaden na no kredie so nyaden
good
you all dem me trust so say wa ho so na medi samdaku medi ne ho adanse kakra because wo he na ni so ade hu eso me ka say wo sha say movie foforo no woni lady bim eye series bi
yeah
na me watch ne pa
abrabo mu nsam
yeah
me watch lady ne pa na
ora na lady no pen no
oh me pen na me so ora no wa ni so ade hu yo he na ni so ade hu nyina ode na mu na ba bi o sa ba wura dru nyame hira no
good
na pa bo na ede taw machi se na ni so ade hu ne ye nyina bebo na me primary serial college
okay
ade ba kwa me sere se nyame beto super guso na gyina be dru ho a mom nyi ayipa mu because I campaign time here. Ebedru baby no afi na chama mo na wo to me. Almost in the west.
But that crop you know me.
Oh, I know, but my man can send me.
Say me boss with here.
Okay. Right. What be na ya tintim. Afi and this for krama say me ye free so. College no crash so afi back door line no. Mama back door.
Okay.
Na me nua set mo ene nam so. Na so be krekia.
It miss you on.
Oh, happy baby.
Na more power na be see.
There be all power there. We say high strong road. You are a friend. You buy a co-position there. We say comfortable mafia. Bomb pie say. Na me man super. Imuso na obibia internet na nyina nkoso. Yesu so be internet a abibia so as last week rano. Me friend radio mitintima na TV ne so. Mitintima na mu say ono na ehu su program Brother Jake my friend. Yes, e be kan chire nua so amoma e dey. Etie fairness ene epe. Na we di NPP achibi amasa niam abeto for.
Right, Dakrope treasurer Edema Amanyoku NDC media monitors omo ena da biara da omunya daje etna radio TV na omutie nsem ekoso afre obu ho bebo anim no ana obi hunu na ne phones no baby abe edu na ode eye course no omo so ebomode mpa ede boa omanyoku a omo ewumu pra Jackson pra yebesi no pi Kumawood television
no kwasem ni se mehwe dwumadie ni din e de atoso asenu pi na e kire me se obi e be frɛ wa ba dwumadie we su bia no wo ba na se woni mu ntro twa dem se waja na bonten ho ansa na obetena e kire se you be fact check power enti me hu ni se platform we na dwumadie meye dwumadie bi se me contrast ma ke ne me pa ye I will not be cross checked to me can be area na ma sorry ko enye adwo ade ba kwa ma hye so ne say between the electorates and the power seekers and I say omo petumi no ye electorate na eti abonten no ye ntumi nya document na omo speak to it no NDC krabi NPP krabi PPP krabi and other political party bi am show no so bia no they are speaking to the same document now so we Canadian na we Canadian me am eti abonten no me ntimi hunu de wo ka no kwen de wo twatro wo media no na wo su kwa document bi a wanya akwanya krabi and who can kaya who the position of the document now the nekura to dwa say ne wo be sinipi na ma ye tienchen no yetime hunu where the true lights na aboy am yetime take decision na ekoba ne so ko pejuma die besu ne MPP ni ka ne NDC ni ka hunu ko na hu tro yo no so ya abita na tinfinfin oh NDC ni aka MPP ni aka tie deja ne ha wa form opinion na who form that opinion timesre dwuma die mu sinipi fact check the panel members na eba no na eba no kure na ho na mwa na the party making informed decision ba ko amese kan say sometimes we hear program bi wo ho no mo obi ko atimi from me ntimi nkasa because we hear post na what one dwumadi na wo ye na I can say unnecessary interjections and hecklings ma program no nye de ye sinipi ka wo de uwia wo issue bia ma we nka na nto and sometimes we hear say obi timi consistently obe heckle ne ko panel members are come say program ne be kwa wiye na ye timi ehun the import of the nipa ne kan it means the best way to defend is to attack it will ma nipa ne nkasa ne ehunu yeso eti echi no ye hu de ewonu timesre say sinipidia enya na mo makwan na obi e kasa e show no so nye di na tiefo no ye ntasa ne se besefa ne kom na aban so what you say and no na boy na maye mu bi no mo any political party aye dom we always look at the issues and we vote based on the issues in some more media no mo yes am confuse here and the more na mo high because the media will form an integral part in decision making coming December all right na timo ya ma do some makwan about me media no say ensure respect equal respect for panel members and show no so na fact check us on the document we are speaking to number a telephone abefo ehu nokure nyefa nokure to the
very well yena yenua pani ana yenua ketwa Pra Jackson I say we have to do fast checking asam no yanokra yebenya mre na yama hu se yanokre I always say memfa ho ene baby a wo free a wo eba memfa ho de me fa ho ane se yanokre ana se enye nokre beren ye ne sanso no nipa tiase ama nipa agiyen e de atum aseda enko enfama wo hwe hyene so we screen ani a numbers bi eguso WhatsApp line momoden ne fa adwenche ne fa so na yenkenkama yemfa aseda emfa ema kafefe capsules kafefe mofani nyina age me so talala enei wo ya brantie wo ware foforo na se afi na akọ ware duro ba akọ wunya betumi aboa opaa no ene kafefe capsules eno na wutumi enya binom na wo na oyiri hyiamu a ade chen ya no afa na me ka kire se maame makwa ware ne mo ma ware we de aware krogen ena makro mema no mba binto ma no so a enei mubu munsa na ayemanso to kwa obu akura no a wa ma adwuma yenu so abu ne nsa nyina ne se pain no edoso unya kafefe capsules no a ebetumi aboa ama wonso no apomuden no atumi agane na so kafefe no baabi a tonduro bia no de wokɔ a wobenya bi atɔ wɔmɔden na ebowura mu ɛwɔ pharmaceutical shops ɛna afei herbal shops ahodoɔ no nyinaa mu na ɛkɔpɛ kafefe capsules no ebi etumi ɛtɔ ebia na ɔpɛ sɛ otu ndodoɔ mu wɔ takwa wɔ na vrongo na ɔpɛ dodoɔ pɛ etu a baabi a wobia no wei ɛyɛ doorstep delivery ɛna kafefe capsules yɛde ɛbrɛ wɔ 0207 183 819 0207 183 819 ofra ejo so na afi dodo mu no yetumi e de abro presiding member for Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly miankasa minua panin honorable Stephen Ofori Kumasi amakum ho na titi nyina ena honorable Edin Assembly member honorable kwa ba
yani amina
Bokode
therefore the more
I think after say we need ya be presiding member dey iPhone so nko ye ntena say 101
so Kumasi the heat no so wash heat nation tin ma bia no then bia you have to go around
you call lockdown ni ye chenua no asa na wo de na e different kra o
say say you call assembly me ache and yeah programs be over the time certainly say experience is the best teacher yeah until yes no
okay we Kumau television yes Sinopi politics and other social issues I believe say one honorable members any KM no mo be support here
oh of course yes so na me na say politics there in our day to day life nia sorry dem mo be politics ho maybe a partisan one maybe a you can't be say shows my bomb so shows be 3 or 4 times my education and we are also here to support yeah
keme ade ba ko a nansan mu di hu djuma bomb ho den pa say yare ba ye no and ye hu the usefulness of the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly especially the mayor make say this time round na metra show bia so a make say afei de mahu papa no wo ye adjuma chama cause be asre because yes it's true not the bia no misi ne so fi say me say ne modern borrow from kakra say yes e free dwade kokra no ahyenkafo no mo regulate mu ye pa e Kumasi
yeah say empenefo say etu onya chiginafo na eto
good
yeah me ba be de ne mapia gu akwam so na emeyo ti no bibi ma djuma na me catch to na implement it. To start with, let me say now we can run about now it take you less than 1 hour. And what now cross Kajitia. But immediately I'm taking over now, and I'm here say you better do away with all the traffic in a whole until minimum say 2 months or 3 months back so over Kuma within 5-10 minutes. Also, now productivity. So Bakura be DJ 1-2 be now by so here Kajitia CSC way. Na a ceremony and now be crap as over one about 2 hours. Won't even cross ya to deter people from coming. And you know, you didn't ever go come so call haba as in Freddie, you know. Now even the drivers na Casano Omuna eventually assign Abuao because first no na Abia Oluduba Obedru Kajitia a bit taken in 1 hour and son our sign. But this time on about within 5 minutes, no free no co. Intino, say no to me call maybe 15 trips a bit more increase it to be at 20-25. As if you care to know. If you know one can say encourage almost young Kosuni any surgery for more. The drivers themselves no not are almost so far super. Yeah.
Silipimami wa say. There has been a major rumor. Say some members of parliament are omo eye under KM no. Omo common fund, omo meje. My palegu omo twen 6 months prior to elections no be jakoye campaign that is okay
well omo meje no mente asie papa say per the law no dey scan yin fan show sem jumadi aposo odidi na ade bana KML resist scan dey aye into case obeje amen I don't seem to
get it omo ede omo jumadi ba yeah mama religious kind of mom and I say bi wo dia
esa wo ba na ya use free akofes me dey assume sem nyesa na braneka ejumadi poti episode dey scan no eno na wo ye ho hyehye ba na ya release scan dey
so the question is you will be wo ha be 2 years ni on fa jumadi bi ama ya ni scandal so da ho
oh da bi Yes, and he was 2 years there, Minister Records. No, yeah. We say, come on, for Nakaza, say a delay. Recently, about 2017, the other. In Obitis 2017, come on, founder. One had a better Jimmy Zenia, and the other and the beer, Diana, and yes, and sometimes at it. Yeah.
Okay. Well, presiding member for Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, Honorable Stephen Ofuri, Amakum electoral area. And our assembly member, or no, and Motini. Can Mamenko na many regional secretary for PNC, Suleiman Seidu. Sule Akwaba. Boko there.
Boko na also.
Na me adum Boko. First time I hear ni. Na PNC say mo flag bearer kwaji position ambassador at large. They say o fa hin no.
Yo minia they can meet ya for ina na ana member so. Le chairman. Ma kuma wudu so motro kwa say ma did you meditate say ya ba say emwa asante mani Ghana mani na sunipi. PNC support at any point in time be am work to sabe pray. Beba. Obusa say ambassador at large in PNC say so say we dey bia so you should be able to bia no question e dey kan we sabe. You and the first time na in an attempt to have an all-inclusive government, Yama PNC and also any other political party position in a given government. So Kaya 2000 in Kaya Malam Isa and by CBP so Professor Higan also we in our own position. About 2008, Honorable Alassane Azon, a PNC member of Parliament for Busa South, Yama Minister of State at the presidency in charge of public sector reform. In 2016, that's 2017, Yama ambassador at large, Dr. Nasigri Muhammad. That position, PNC is not something new to us. Come support now to this time. In no way, or honor. But no cry when say, ever since I take that position, my activity in the party no abafon kakra. Until I'm as a party no. We've taken a decision to move on with the rest of the executives, including
to move on. Say, more in a film.
In film, but to be honest with you, say what opinion you feel. Say, opinion no. Na aduna ko bibia na on hwe ne change hwe ne party ni mu. Say the best thing they say as a party you move on.
Okay. Na any Atik Mohammed also or hene okamo ho ana say onzo film.
Atik Mohammed is suspended general secretary of the party. The Kaipa said that particular NEC meeting, Dr. Nasigri Mahama, the chair of that particular meeting, Mr. Moholundi, or no, and at the morning, National Executive Committee members, Yatina Session, mobile number in 2016. And my own say Atik Mohammed, the moment more as a general secretary in 2016 election, and she, am I energy to me say, until 19. Into Dr. Mahama support to it. Women organized that in the Tinabla support to it. The entire party machinery supported this decision. And this is what they say, or Genevieve B. Castle, general secretary. I don't know what can I say. And as a party, so we are looking at the ways, the legal means that we can take him on.
Okay. Okay.
So the party is actually on its feet.
Right. My main sign and shall say on this score. COVID-19. Yeah. Briary by ABC and yes, Shasia was an issue of advice from the president. Ekos one na President Bekasaye was say all schools are closing it down, excluding final year students of GHS and SHS. Your one by say Omokran Somunkufi. A Tuaswano was locked down about 3 weeks. Now you say or 2 weeks, you say okay, Monsign MS Nenko Munyumaso. Yare no kwa na ekostro. We share a ben was sweet. Modern bo and I say nema wototo. Fire ye by one. Rebecca say Ekuya and I say Elfom.
Yo minia, let us view. Now say Ushe money more in terms of how we fought this coronavirus so far now. make us say but yembo ye na abaso.
Okay.
From the Kayo, the Oye Power to the president. They say boy na abaso. Yabo umade. Even though Mujide say Ankabitima is something better than the early. But so far we've done very, very well.
Okay.
We share certain countries and we call them first case. Mortality rate, even infection rate, now we do to Ghana, they know. Even though yet they are still on the rise, we are ready to learn well comparatively. But Mujide say this is a wake up call. Say as a country, this is the time I say set your priorities right. No man I say if I say there's
okay, so 88 hospitals within 1 year.
Very good initiative.
Certain priorities right. Account.
Oh, account 88 account papa. But now no him say anka president besa atwa so say do hospitals I see a be enye omunye wie ya the previous government eja honom no eno nso no ye ba be afa ho. And so no mo go so here. Mo go so here. How long? 3 years now. We are in the 4th year of the government. I can best 8 months to go into a general election.
Okay.
So how about to say a construction of a simple hospital in 1 acre on a land in 1 acre. Not say for good 3 years. What to hold there? Then I think there is something to be very worried about.
Sule Mesa Baho, Sule Ashanti Regional Secretary for the PNC and at Motenika. Kumawood Television, Atenga Junction, Kumasi, and yade Jumadi free ade bro. We free a Juada Ekusi Ifia de Biano 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. In your video no emfa in free ha. Sinupi, Ebinyamre na Sinupi among who said the Omino isi ekro wine and a canocre. Now one didn't draw. Wine was a twin one was a bonabaso, wine and was a nefa campanoso. Na utumi etoto nenyama eye. Well, my main call chairman is Kokweji ho. Ernest. Yen share aban modern bo enema odi gu akwemu. Enne eye made but na utie adwumayefo a Ghana adwumayefo are we better off under this government?
Mickey, dance. Said you okay. Mini kamo Ghana adwumayefo abaso.
Say Nyankopon ama wo mu ahoden ene enkanko tumi na omutimi de ye adwuma e de boa oman yema adwumayefo nyina ayuko na sene na woka no ene ye Ghana adwumayefo eda na metimi aka esini pi say na nado dan kwa kufuado adaroma omampani adaroma Ghana adwumayefo etiye se o compare Ghana adwumayefo abrabo eye ne konkan enso ema so o hwe ba bia ene ono yigina ene sene enema ACD adane na se omampani timi gina ne naso na this time kura yenko adwuma kura no itimi twa ye ka na ya dum
wa monko adwuma
ene adwumayefo hyedan ko adwuma a production e wo femi no mienu nim say we are not in the normal time
with the exception of the Ghana Education Service and we so bia ko adwuma
no correct no Ghana Education Service kura office staff ko adwuma but so the production na he revenue na se wo hwe ene sikasem ene sebe omampani kura no etimide some tax relief amayen so ti ase hospital adwumayefo ya chema ketwem frontliners edi bia ka wo ho so ti ase yim omaya ni ewo mu yim bebe na adodan ko kufa be for omani free ye oman na ye ma ye ti say sika no ya we amana ka dompe a watimi aba manam aba dompe ne ho ene wo hawa nti say mpo no ye see the electricity bill emu half ache ayen ye nsuo ye de ache yen wa bra those days kwana na kania ewo ho no ana dum so kra ne ntimi nti so enso ne papa ne timi gana na so ama sa ne ma we ekoyi ma ye de meka cho se Ghana adwumayefo ye tie ye de nyame ase
chama me da ase chairman neso kwaje na mote ne nka o se o man adwumafo etie dakrope ene ye medi gana adwumafo etisen
oh me da se wa mama kwanya na I used to preside and so ya be man akwa obo adwuma oye fair mum ya mi hira no oye
fair
oh o hwe ye no ankobo buga oya brante o future baby
so wouldn't Stephen Ofori dia me so say
sentima make so oye fair no say minimum me so oye den oye fair ntinya mento no kom na nko so ama microphone na ada no the politicians ya omo ye fair na abribia no omo ko manim o he kanda pa mo omo ko manim omo so omo ye fair no se nche ne ebo omo buga because na wetumi o chan ni tumi okay ntimi bana bas kakra me kan se o hwe adumayefo o mabra boma asa enkoye kura because me da na me sia nyankopon pa na waye bibisa kakra na because na gana fu suan kasa na cover ni be shame nti ase da na kufu ado atete ne ho kakra bi because o hwe nkrofo mu ma eguya within 3 years 3.5 na nyasem ketwa na convene san be wram na se adwumayefo tie so pa se da bia me katwa se o he bank sector etuwadio se nya tuwadia ka bank funu na ye adwuma because abronti mi mikrofonu na omon sofa nse convene ba wie yes riska abwa ama ye nyina ye gina san kwafonu mugugu omunyuma ti se e life no kwabrando fomo no mo ya doye pa se kana omunyuma no wo ha kamini ankasa doye ko mo nyebi ko mbetime yi bi aboa enena chama kase adwumayefo etede biso kwa abontin na kubisa obi bia se ne adwumayefo o mabra bom tisen udi nana kufado penso o mo tie so papa nti ye mo wanse chama betra kase oh bibi ekoye ajinse mu
ante so no ene san
oh masa
atiso
amanfo botom asetinam botom ni asetinam no enkoye because me kasa president Mahamata no bia setimi siskaso wonna ma na amanfo pia hawa amanfo esiwenam they say nam no awahe obi hu no bia mo ho no hyedem ko mi kra san ba e kra de na dam hyekra no ayamo nipa no kra mpie dada ntuka je so hyedem so hyedem nti enema nkoyi
alright me da say dakrope na otene kan say enema de nkoyi ewo oman Ghana mukra ya de se enema ekoyi ma menko chairman Crosby
Sir Mike
ene me dey ene me ko say adwuma
for you ma mention same free baby a dakrope edisi no o say first no mama time no na nko for renam obamo wahwefo no ene omo mutie na aka say the former president Mama Kai say ya rena manaka dumpe no it is true sa no pass o say say na yetimi rena manebro so a ene the former president Mama Kai say ya rena manaka dumpe no enye wonwa ene ye bo Ghana adwumayefo abasu eyam ya say due to this COVID-19 yantimi answer briti I remember
celebration ni baso but just say anye said there yeah
anye to say the previous I remember say last year I was at Jubilee Park ye na no you take part of it now due to wenity and amanasa I saw a statement a president issue from Jubilee House on the vice president at the by ye na ye bo ye Ghana adwumayefo abaso abaya bako abaya basan aba TUC ebe demand more ya dan ye ho Oliver Twist the odbama ye bia no we need more and Ghana as a country no yentimi compare ye ho to other countries like US because uko US ya there nipa ba ku timi ye adwuma miensa a day uche ne Sarah na say ne day income a doso but my as a Ghana no ya hwe ye ho na ya chichi ye bu enti message say ase match say ye bo omo abaso omo ye adwumaden no yɛbɛsrɛ ɛyɛ aban ne sɛ isa sɛ biribi kakra bi na obetumi ɛde aka wɔn de ama Ghana because bebree ɛyɛ adwuma. I remember say 10 years ago ukɔ Ghana railways a ɛmɛ adwuma no ɛkɔ fam no wobɛkɔ no na lotto people na ɛde nkɔfoɔ bi anim a they are working lotto instead of working way no but nneɛma ɛsesa ne ade nti yɛbɛsrɛ Ghana ɔmanpanin sɛ as much sɛ yɛ nyinaa yɛbɔ ɔmo aba so no sɛ obetumi ayɛ biribi wɔn a na kyɛn ma ɛna ɛka biribi sɛ ɔmanpanin no ɛde friend sɛ wohwɛ a deɛ ɔde buy no to the health center front line no pɛ na ɔde buy but yɛka the entire workers of wey no nation na nneɛma still no nneɛma as human being nneɛma ɛntutu nti yɛbɛsa aban sɛ ɔntie na sopam. I know say TUC will come out with a statement on way no yenya being ready but
the statement
about demand more.
Yes. Almost say almost said the yare no abaye no a and no be din for some time. And TUC the demand you.
Who say yare we no ama the economy of the nation no aye bibia o menim say ye beko ho. Na mean say wo free sule ho nka wo dey bad this COVID-19 na wo dey May Day no ebese but ye beko the economy no ayanya Ghana nkwa ewiase and I know very well say by the end of your friends say yare we no ebe free wiase akọ no ahwe wiase economy na be say then we'll start again. Okay. Sana de ne be ye be say ashase for say ye chichi eye economy and I remember say one of the president address or can be say say economy is say they know how to bring the economy back. Yeah. But say Ghana for a wood year
very impossible
to bring weighty. Yeah, best say say until now so Ghana my 4 years mapa.
All right.
Until now so next ka credit on the become among
Crosby Charles Ama UPP Ashanti Regional Chairman. Amiko Jake wo. Jake.
Mina.
Ghana Juma 4 are they better off under this government?
Oh, okay. Yambo ma baso ni enda o ma sese o ma ye adwumaden. Nti enene ye o mu de yambo ma baso ni enda o ma se o mu na ye adwumaden ma ane o ma ne konanim. Ba wunim. Simiti se minua no MPP 40. TV ni radio na o mu ka se Ghana for who pon mu chen 2016 ya. Ya na ye me do. Say yes a program na ya mo invite us ya mbakasa enka me kura me ha me 2016 dokono obi a ohwe mi bia dokono 1 cedi na o 20 sen ne kase ni na etisen ana etisen mutu a mo asise ministers baaku 126 asise o mampanyi ni busuanfo nkwa over 50 akogu na mu busuru so na mu bi sika nyina mu betre TV so a na mu ka se Ghana for wo atomo me 2016 na mu bag kato ne ni atono 350 me ka o Ghana cedi ana 35 cedi o de banu Ghana cedi enne ayi krisa du 60 cedi 70 cedi u betena ha u ka tense Ghana ni edwumani ne ho atono petrol ni 2016 cedi musui do mama ye wibini ane petrol wa market ya tia before be do 29 ayi balo ya da so to na body mutuo mu mpaga na fo acho no mu gusu kase mu ba ya dwumafo mu ho ato mu enya nwanwa da bia me ka ya o mu so na akufa do de wo ya kokra ono de wa bobra ento onu ni de o mfa Ghana sika nya hwe ba onu nkwa so na yo mampanyi ya obi a wa bobra onu nkwa na yo mampanyi wa ba Ghana ya ba kwasam wa sesa ne busuanfo agum a o ja o ma japade ansa na wakọ intimi to ya na ya misre ana onye wa bobra ana onye mfa Ghana sika nya hwe na mfa Ghana sika nya hwe na o sesa busuanfo na o ma koguma o nya o ne be diska no unim bisi da mo ma yanka ne kure anu ntini ya bre no se yanka ne kure ye nyina ya ba bre ye nyina so ye tim o mampanyi ya o tisu bisi da wo de wo mamienu ya ba ye adwuma ha amaminka no hey don't do that obi akasa me yedi minimum do konta amekasa obi akasa me yedi mutia president maminka mason chama wuti oni de no kure no wanka maminka me ne kure na tiefo ni jeje ahefo ni jeje wutia 2016 president mahama ne wɔfa ase baako pɛ wɔyɛ lawyer wɔyɛ adwuma wɔ abɔbra ne yɛayɛ ne deputy minister wote kurom ha family and friends ane wotia mekɔka se nana akɔfa do de ne mami no ahyɛm wobɛka kyerɛ no aduru hɔ no wɔtwerɛtoɔ wonyɛ mpp ni sɛ wopɛ sɛ woka wɔ mo hɔ de akɔka hɔ ɛne deɛ nyama asɛm a memeke me kwan wowie aka nti deɛ mepɛ nti no ɛmfa wo ho nyɛ wo ne wobɛkyerɛ me deɛ menka m'ani abrɛ medeɛ m'ani abrɛ because ɔma no tɔ nsuom yɛne abrɛ o ɔma no tɔ nsuom sɛ yɛanyere ne ho anka ne korɛ no akyɛ Nana Akufo-Addo a ɔma no hye Ghanafoɔ wu Ghanafoɔ brɛ yɛyare yi pensɛ mo yɛkɔ so ano woda kɔ so na wo se mebɛsi hospitals 88 mi wo ba 3 years 3.5 years hospital baako kɔ wontumi si wososɔ no so sɛ ɛna ɔyɛ adeɛ ɛna baabi a mogyegye ne so saa ɛna papa ne de ɔma no kɔtɔ nsuo
regional communication team member for the NDC Jake ɔse Ghana for brɛ ɛkɔm de Ghana for nti mo manya bi die no ma mo nye ne sɛdeɛ obi a ɛna enya bi die ɛkɔm de nkrɔfoɔ pa chairman inusa chairman Ghana dwumayɛfoɔ wo ka ho bi wo nso yɛ adwuma wɔ Ghana yɛbɔtɔm te sɛn ɛnɛma ɛkɔ sɛn good chairman
meda wase mepacho fa Mike na Jake edi ye di no ma
what they say they over preach one day over preach
Mike mepacho meda se
on say wa share that Mike no ma so ma share program no edi eye Sinopi
sure
na
nti Jake Sinopi se ko Ghana for
enenu
ye bie so keke
enenu ena yedi be kire se na program yi esi beko bon first impressions are very very
important good
na nia minua Jake any NDC for edi faidie wan hwa o medwana jai program yi but ye pe o mo nti min kan bebri o de ma min fan ko COVID-19 se Mike meka Asenopi e wo ha se nka enye Nana Akufo-Addo na oye Ghana o mampanyi awo samre yi na nka ya His Excellency the former president John Mahama nka Ghana for ye ho be kire ye papa. I'm telling you I'm in the health sector. I know supporter aban oye as COVID-19 yanti more dangerous resource.
The number keeps on increasing.
Yes. COVID-19 is a world pandemic that has not happened on earth before.
Okay.
ABC though. Cholera. 1954 after the World War II. Cholera was the pandemic eba we are now ekum kofo bibiri over London, UK. And one epidemiologist or investigation no. And omu pair and who the reason why there's cholera. Ultimately, look at 1954. Yep, nya cholera and edru. This cholera. You mean baby a cholera every. It's just a matter of you having to go into contact with human excreta. Near our virus on excreta. Eco system no. Enuna edi bibemao. Ultimately, 2014 to 2015, Ghana for a war as a result of cholera. Na ye mo pokeke.
Okay.
Me kauna na me colleague be our free Belgium. Oyen research or our Ghana. Clara. Now I say 1954 yeah who near cholera SCT and Nedru. And yet then the cholera ebetma Ghana. Within June to January 2015, by the end of January 2015. Na Nipa munya cholera in all the 8 regions of the 10 regions of Ghana no more 28,000 and now we lost 243 persons in this country. Yeah, cholera.
So
very
easy. Ghana Jumefo, are they better off under this government?
They are far better off. And I'm share a choir, His Excellency the President, Odi Ghana for EFA, our Nansay. Health workers now move that front line. Yeah, you work front line. Yeah, my 50% salary increase. And now also di your friend said tax relief. Am I?
About this month.
Me patcho.
About tax no so the no relief.
It would be waived. Yes. And Osama electricity. Omo use it between 0 and 50 kilowatt no. Baseline or the achiomo for 3 good months. Miba. And now Osa Eddie 50%. Ama yeah kanu.
Nema ye.
Nema ye pa. Nothing I'm missing nema ye ni. Samai.
First mame. We have less than 10 minutes.
Samu. Yes. No problem. Me diverse no.
Manage moment time we be nka ho.
Me diverse no. Me pese Ghana for enhu se nka enya Nana Akufo-Addo na wo power. Nanka eye John Dramani Mahama. Nka Ghana for your case winner ye wo 2000 no. Nka ye wo 20,000 and the death rate no would have been somewhere because yare no e be see that. Nto obi anim.
Tell me that.
But cholera na enim. But still na cholera ekumi ye check. Sa yare.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Sedu Inisa, regional coordinator Hefra, Ashanti region, and Otini. Can you emphasize that Enfama Anolin Royal Enterprise? And they open papa na wakwakoto infidia ya sorry, but sorry them. Emma amount for neje ho. Instrument bu how is na sorry them wa. Nkonkro no omo be nyankopon pa no mokoto nyame a no maka nyame se ade na ye de timi emfa mu waye no enko. Mo so nyina sene basase so na nhira nko a nti sorry a ayaresa yedie ene nkoso mu no. Omo niema no nyina no omo to no Anolin Royal Enterprise ho ena omo to mo niema no efri kuma so se kurum ha ya ena omo wo ba bia wo bia no oba ono ba nhise kama na wo ya sorry anadwumeku a utua bia dia ka no na utua na akra etumi ede ama omo na enya no nko a e bia na de dwuma bi na opese obeji instruments ede ko ekokobọ live program a omo akonya no ha omo betumi ahwe ede ama okama we omo free mu a enye yie fise ho na asanteman agi atumu Kumasi kronom omo ne Iron Gate no filling station no ho a na omo Adonko junction so a na omo ewo Kumasi kronom bomoden na from 0244 073 525 0244 073 525 from omo ebeje oso mame nkonko wi ewo presiding member Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly Honorable Stephen Ofori Honorable my for Ghana ekosei
minia I wouldn't want to judge for them na me kase to be frank me ankasa edro bia na me share political programs no na dia na politicians na kasa ada timi maro kakra because ana eya kwete se omo ase bo muti fio me enuma na ase you know ase sebe omo nhyeda nim de omo pe ana ase de eyema omo sana na ase politicians no gestures no eya akoye ase omo mom na determine se omo to mo na ase omo ho nto mo
but say politicians no ne sangrofu na etifie
the person chene say wo de SSC and this your power omo say Ghana for ho to mo na MPP for say wo de ahokere wo ho edane ya na afi MPP for no say ahokere wo ho say afi de ahoto wo ho say as if say enipa no mte Ghana ha ne de omo akasa kwa no omo nim what is good for them sa posia no ana mete ana to bia na ase ana maro kakra yeah me di ho ya because ana eto de to be tia sembia say suze say wo other side da bia wo bia no betima tia sembia say we are fair to yourself adi para some kan hwe kura say u kire say ka bia say be ebru mi na say obu no but ni nyina mu no policy ntina di pa no oka because ya no ana ye take by our ways some certain will be ya o political career be end o call ya buchi no ni ade a but me betina TV so aka the next time we can say fufuro na hu ase ye di agro me say na me hu ase politicians no mu di agro And I need also yeah Ghanaians and mom come the first happen so. If you could hold them to their ways, Kasan and some entity be ready so. Because they be better than the same old song. We come here, they chat Dania, no casting from. And I don't subscribe to that. Julia, let me say me
who sinupia obeka say
me person say so we politics or for instance the entire makers and say CCA obi tibitaka se bia na kufodo ba hospital say na Mohammed na wa bande no na adentina so mampanyi de oba na obi yaduma ato so obehwe no na chi no so ba ya no oja bebre gu ho then you also go and criticize somebody so put the bitch na see ya so wo ba na se bi na kufodo de kufodo ya nyawa na say the mampanyi kufodo ya wato so na wo dia wo ye no obi ntwa so you have the right to criticize onu no ba ya bi na projects bi go ha wa to check ra meanwhile obasanya kukoduro
honorable won so oye honorable presiding member and assembly member wo an electoral area te say amakum amanfo a omo area no omo say eni ene mu yema wo mo ana say na omo complain say de bia na omo complain be bia twem
oh Ghana de obi akasa hoto ho sisi no odi ntro
okay
ana nyese na hoto ho na ateko oman na etim na nkasa na ye nya nyini nuru ba bia obi abetuma akasa na hoto no na mmom no do bia na some relief bi kakra na dipa sisi ana hoto de bia na wa o ka won individually say wo de bia nyame ahira wo de bia wanya ska dia you can say so
right
na wo ka oman na nyina so dia you can say Ghana we are better off today or whatever maybe someday
Charles Donko Swedru or say or share Jumadi life at the free Swedru na NPP aban no emo nu omo ho na omo ensre well Charles edie no well Eben or say mechanic na mesini pipa kire mo say eniema ekoyie pa edima ntima mo ka say eniema enkoyie or say elubofo nyina ehwe life libofo ya chiamo pa enwumre well ma mehwe se metimi akwa homa no so a yemre no ayebre but then few minutes memfa college kakra na afi yenhwe on 0200 okay all right there in one kabi well say and they catch them say I catch them we say
30 seconds crank
o catch them say abaya
presiding member council meaning ya do perfectly say epada ya nya akonya sese na say kasa ye say e bia mo hwe no omo nti o man yi mu ana so mo nim de ekoso okuma say I strongly believe say they are fully aware of whatever that is going on in this country but say you a question say the tea and I say tea obviously MPP make say oh a tea and this make say oh na tea but I say now I say so what will be the measure into the PNC for I say future PNC government either by through power sharing or say we need hands down we'll make sure say our institutions you know we go University of Cape Coast KNU State so more economic department more quadruple labor etuma for the well-being of the citizenry omo quadruple papa they be omo nhwem into betina say can only use the nominal figures but here assessment of well-being it goes beyond the nominal figures it goes beyond the prices of kenke yesterday and today it goes beyond the prices of tomatoes yesterday and today look what kenke emfa say 1 cedi yesterday by now only 2 cedis but and then more that 2 cedis you can afford it far better than say afford the 5 that 50 pesos yesterday and see that mechanism say one for rigorous econometrics and that kind of analysis now but na TV here Ghana for any gas muti and some muti you only making noise.
But then you always interact with Ghanaians. You are a political party. You interact with Ghanaians. Omo mo din kita ho a e na mo sesen
show like this I sleep you
yes and me person who sleep say o ma no mudin komo no o mo say dey
because who be no
so if I need to
and who be moving to can we
so to me as someone that all that kind of basic analysis capability and skills say my shadow anya as it stands now
okay
but the main thing I can say as a nation we are making strides. But the extent of strides I am making, Ababa say is so low. I hear certain rigorous intervention. Look, this situation we have been hit by coronavirus and so on. It's not only Ghana. And it's not even the first time the world economy is getting pretty new. Mr. Churchill and so. Then the case and go by. The government of the day must inject something into the system.
Okay.
The government of the
if
day
you are there, if you nyame aduma eduade kono nyame de che benyamre na yetumi asini benyamre na yesini well mame announce me lines no ofra na wama radio no akofom pa TV na akofom pa ofra TV no mane nkofom na yentie ewo ofon no emu we ne sa ebeboa ye am yetumi ato nkan yi 0200 603 602 0200 603 602 obemu a yebefa na etumi ate won so agyenche no de wo ede mai oba no why ne tiawo ede amai well set ekwesen
Samai me na me magedi and say they are not presiding can I support him. This is not the time where some care politics. Conflict some by pa in brain. The vice president, a former president, and do watch it. All over the world, as some see. When we say opposition leader Vietnam, our first idea we own person politics. This is Ghana.
I don't know what you know your politics.
No beer, yes, I tell you, yes, I channel I didn't recall. Obia no ya tell you, yes, or the call. Now the boy by no. Oh, Bia didn't the echo. Then one quant was what
first caller. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, our free.
The patron, me free in career. My friend Michael.
Name Yentio.
Radio me Bokumo TV before Abaso. I was some power also Kumatamai and a Ghana Mena. And say COVID-19 by mobile my update. I'm a political show someone introduce no. You need to home. You're quite say I mean sham. Don't go some more thing. I'm on some Ghana mine or some pa. I mean sham pa.
Unshra so name. Well. Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Mike.
Good evening, very free.
Yeah, bon abaso. And Sinupi first edition, I am very successful. They say, who as a host, and also programming the Japan Argentine. And the contribution, they say, Mike, am I over 200 and COVID-19 Yakoso? And what ye and what we say, Prime Minister and our President, what by addressing nation, no, now we are not opposition leader, as well as also addressing nation. If the former president of Mahama, or shows we are too desperate. And the politics in Ghana with me, we're too desperate. And it's exposing him so much.
Yeah, that's a brace. What do I say? And so, well, 0200 603 602. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, our free.
Good evening.
My Joe was talking about never cause free.
The from Joseph Kabila, Joseph, and Cobra
Elembele, Bonzoke, and watch Anamae. Why?
What I say?
Honorable Bonzoke, DC, Elembele, Echianepa. Yentio. Yaton can Yentio.
What's the name?
I didn't say one tea and hello, good evening.
Hello. Good evening.
We never have free. Kuma would need.
Make a separate lady at Tripoli.
Yentio.
No, correct me. I mean, you say you want me. I take Ghana and send me a coaching. I send me you. Now, make my cafe and call you. Because I'm saying, dear. Chika, amount for the two bank, Libya for me, Madame, for big one, this car to bank. For I present by or big bank, no. ama sisi umunyina ti de obe abo fi kura na aye de nti kana kura wo yutu wona uti aye ekoyie enkoyie because obi abre e wo leader ha sika wo bi abafie aye ti se wo de beba be bibi na omogu bank ama sika na omo de dane awaka kuru mu ha mi kase nti me de eti ekoyie a na ekoyie ma omo a omo di sika no nne enkoyie ma bia eni abre pa na ye baba be to aba no so.
Okay. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Sir Mike.
Abanegasi, you need free.
Yeah, FKD ni be free at Asmaso.
Means you.
We both never better for Abaso, and the program no I very successful. Now the message is we have to be our why and two former President Mahama. Now unyai adia o yeno. Say yeah fight COVID-19. O my ni abre na so no so penity so no o de eya manyosem mese no Ghana foi wo gidie wona na adodan kwa kufu adumu se okon a sabre wodi anim na ye kon no obedi anim am ye di nkunim wo sa COVID-19 so ye wo gidie woni mu enu nti na ye ya gen se afi we kwa we ya abato no ze be sa ato na so biu na ne juma pa wo ye no wato aso aye e dia mo men nti se form more for not to do more.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, free. Oh, free. Libya. Okay, Yentio.
For the beginning, where I want to say, you buy one catches before China for in the Catalan. Edi yeposi sa nena kwa sana kwa baka ya dini ulzi kwa demo. Dini wa bea bea wanasho. Mho ni sawa no. Nani ni zibotie. Dini wa ya pia hapo ni ya yeposi. Ene bani si ne bo mali tamasi.
Yes, so yeah that's it. Okay, 0200 6023 obemu a befa na afi so ya je won so waje nchire ha Kumawood Television. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, free.
Hello.
Good evening, free.
Good evening.
Majos, good evening, free. Yes. Abane was so high Kumawood Television. Doom Radio TV no na yentio. Well, hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, free.
From Joseph Yankobra.
Joseph Yentio and Frank Cobra, Elembele. Joe Yetio. Yetio. Joe Yetio, Kasa.
Okay. Apa cuma dah say oh mau yano ya dah masuk pa. You only say you. Ni pada saya posisi formu pasal mau dada ni pada saya bibiya wasa o zaman orang sana wa buatan. Saya ma bini no to se gana ni na ni gana po ina omo ina botuma yi. Aya wa kasano. Kaje se on pe kuma se ko lo ko mbisa se. Kuma se ko fo be du. Ye oma on baka so mboto be on be yese. No on baka so mboto be on be yese. Dilo kwa ni bere se na fire politics. Ti mo bata se di o mo ka so ma se be aya mo bi ye wa ka so kaka.
Okay. Yeah, that's it, bro. I think the last caller. Good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello. Noah TV no. You better on can. Good evening. I think hello, good evening. Okay.
Good evening.
You be free.
But I'm free of what?
Udin.
Your friend Chelsea and do not the friend.
Chelsea and you.
I can't for them can. Obia so na o se ndi to bibi anyu won fe. Ye gan ha ti se ye won tere ma ye bere papa. Yari what the bia wo. What the really look so. So next ma pro fu we Ghana ndi ya bi ade ya nya na do no one kan wo ya won tan kakra. Ya nya do anadu won kan je me ya won tan kakra. Wo nya me ya ko ya wona ba bia bibi bo ho anu wona bibi bo ho anu.
Right. Was Sinipi? Was Sinipi? Jumedia, Edi, Kumawood television. So, and I remember quite. Ama yɛde dwumadi no atumi ɛde asi ɛnɛ deɛ medical ka kyerɛ mo nnɛ sɛ na ne yɛhyɛ dwumadi no ase nti yɛhyɛ ase ne na deɛ atokyew kakra bia no madaroma momfa ɛnkyɛ abegyafo no nyaeɛ a nke yɛnkɔ yɛ nimu a but yɛde mmerɛ ɛna ɛyɛ adwuma chairman Crosby Charles ama ɛyɛ Ashanti Regional Chairman for UPP Obeka yensa ewa ha set da ban secretary edema volunteer media communicators Ashanti region ono so ebeka yensa the regional secretary for PNC Sule Seidu ono so eba habi so na regional coordinator Hefra and then national communication team member for the NPP Inusa Seidu ono so ebae makonta Jake Azintoli
mutamu ni nyeju Jake mutamu ni nyeju kamu na
nyeju so ebae original communication team member for the NDC chairman Ernest Kweku Ejeyi second vice chairman for the NPP Menchia North constituency and also by Dakrope a treasurer at the media monitors Ashanti region and also earlier on the presiding member for the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly a honorable Stephen Ofuri and also Ebefia Ebekan so and a social commentator Pra Jackson and so Ebefia ena yede sinupi dwumadia ene yapa hontuma no yede ebesi aseda enko ema Anolin Royal Enterprise ena afei so kafefe na mofano nyina agye mso ofie talala so mo so yase me de dwumadie no etumi ede ebrem nyame yadoma yadwada ya ka kire 4:30 to 6:30 yenhia ewo Kumawood TV na yensinupi emfa de ekoso ewo man Ghana eho ono boaye me de dwumade ebre wo Frank eboaye sanso ena Augustina Loretta DJ Lofty so eboaye Ochinozo the original ono so eboaye sanso ena Angie right omnyina eboaye nyame adom a juada obeti enka beren pemu otayachi na de dwumade ebremu enei eye Samdaku Samuel Dakon enso ena etayachi me din de Michael Nana Adomakon obefrɛ me sɛ Mike nyame adom na ode cheya ajuada yenhia 4:30 ewo Kumawood television na yensinupi emo man no empeja yensinupi na man no entumpom yakram.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe biasha Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedi